Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a room tour. So when you first open the door, this is what you see. This is just kind of an overall first view. So starting with the far right wall, we have these three items hanging. We have my Paris calendar, a photograph of me and my mom, and then a sign that says, "Enjoy the little things," that my friend Jessica gave me for my birthday last year. And then we have my desk, which is also my vanity. So I have my makeup brushes, my mirror, and then my laptop as well, and of course a candle. Also, when I moved in, the lady that lives here, she gave me a card that says "Welcome in," and she got me this orchid from Trader Joe's, which I thought was so sweet. And next to the left, we have my little school station. So I have my printer and some drawers with some school supplies, my backpack, and my binders, things like that. So that's like my school section. And then to the left, we have this dresser, and this dresser was actually provided by the lady that lives here. So I just have a couple things hanging in there, and I also use it for storage as well. And this next item is not the prettiest, but oh, it is necessary. This is a portable AC unit that I bought from Lowe's. It's not very attractive, but it keeps my room ice cold. As you can see, I had it set at 67, so it is perfect in here. And then next we go to my bedside table slash dresser. Fun fact, I actually built that dresser by myself, and it's from IKEA. I had never built anything from IKEA before, especially not by myself, so I'm actually pretty proud of myself for putting that together. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in on the items that are on top of the dresser. So I have this rose bouquet that I got from Home Goods, this light up R, obviously standing for Rachel. And that jar as well is from Home Goods. I just keep like my headphones in there, my lighter for my candles, and then like some remotes and things. Obviously I have a candle burning. It says "Hey Pumpkin." It's a pumpkin candle. And last but not least, I just have that little bedside lamp that I got from IKEA, and that completes the top of my dresser. So let's go ahead and move to the left, and then I will show you what is on my bed. This dream catcher is actually from Alaska when we went there a couple years ago on a cruise, and so I always hang that above my bed. And then these pillows that you see here, most of them, actually probably all of them, are from Home Goods. I love throw pillows. This blanket is also from Home Goods, and I liked that the pattern matches the rug and my pillow. It's super, super soft. So that is what my bed looks like. Alright, and then let's move over to my favorite part of my room, which is my gray and white tapestry that I have fairy lights hanging behind. I absolutely love this tapestry. This is actually going to be my new background for my YouTube videos, so I'm so excited to start filming with that. As you can see, I have fairy lights behind there. Super easy to set up, and I just kind of have them draping behind. It just makes the room feel super cozy, and then it also matches the gray and white theme. And this is the rug that was already in the room before I moved in, but it just so happened that that's like my favorite pattern, so I decided to keep it. And lastly, I just have these two double mirror doors for my closet. I'm not going to show you my closet because it's just pretty standard, just clothes and boxes and things. Alright, so that is everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos all the time. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on my next one.